Howdy guys, it's time for math, and today what I want to look at is our dots of 9. Remember this one was one we did yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what I want to do is I want to put some chips on these so that we can look at our groups. Okay, so here we've got 9 red ones, right? What I would like to do is I'd like to look at this group of 5 up here. In fact, let's move it this way so it's easier for us to think about this as a group of 5. And then let's flip these over here. Now we see that we have a group of 5 and a group of 4, right? Now we can make groups other ways as well. Think about where you see groups. We did this one. This is a group of 1, and if this is 1, what is this group here? This is a group of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if I were to take this and change it and put the group of 1 here, do I still have a group of 8, or is it a different number? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's still 8. And it doesn't matter where I put that group of 1, the others are always going to be a group of 8. Now let's make this a group of 2. What do we see here? If this is a group of 2, how much is this? Well, this would be 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But if I put that group of 2 somewhere else, have I changed where the group of what the other group is? What is this group here? Still 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's put it here. There's my group of 2. And what's my red group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Always 7. Okay? Let's change and make a group of 3. This is where I see a group of 3 the easiest over here. If this is a group of 3, then this is a group of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now what if I take this and move the group of 3 over here? Do I still have 6, or has it changed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's important for you to learn that no matter how I change things, as long as I keep the groups constant, their numbers are not going to change. This is always a group of 3. This is always will be a group of 6, no matter where I put the 3, right? If I have 3 and they're spread apart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That stays the same. All right, so I got some white chips and I got some red chips. I want to show you something here. We'll set this out of the way for just a minute. I am going to take and make groups of 5, and I'm going to put my fingers on them. Now check that out. So I have 5 red ones and 5 white ones. We've done this before, if you remember this. And what I'm going to show you is we can think about what the numbers are. We use the 5 here, take that away, and what I'm going to have? 6. What if I have 5 red and 4 white? That's going to be the number 9. If I take all the white ones away, well then I have 5. If I take 2 of the red ones away, I have 3. What if I do 5 reds and 2 whites? That's the number 7, right? Okay. Now, your problem set worksheet that you're going to be doing today is a little bit different. And what I would like you to do is get a crayon and a pencil, or a pen or something, just 2 different colors here. And what we're going to do, so you can pause it here, go and get those colors. And what I'm going to do is we're going to paint fingernails, okay? So on this hand here, because this is a darker color, we're going to paint these fingernails red. them get to be red. Just like, okay, and then all of these, I'm going to put this down, grab my pencil, and I'm just going to draw fingernails so that they are white, right? Now, let's write the numbers here. And by the way, you can always pause if I'm going too fast. We're just moving along this. I'm going to write all the numbers. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now let's do the same thing down here. I wonder why we're doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's 5 red ones. And now let's go for white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 white ones. And now let's do the numbers down here again. We're just going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Now, if you need to pause to catch yourself up to where I am on this, go ahead and pause so that you're ready for me. And what we're going to do is we're going to find some numbers on here. If we have a group of 10 up here and a group of 10 down here, that makes 20, right? So I want everyone to have red fingernails, white fingernails, red fingernails, white fingernails. Okay? Now, if I point here, this is the number 1, right? If I point here, this is the number 5. Can you find the number 9? 9 is right here, right? 5 red and 4 more. Can you find the number 11? That's more tricky, right? Where's 11? 11's right here. Okay? Can you find the number 15? Well, 15 would be here because it's 10 and then 5 more. 10 and 5 make 15. Can you find the number 17? Point to the 17 for me. Okay? Well, here's 17 right here. It's 10 and 7 more. Here's my 7, and it goes with this finger, right? Now, how would I do 17 with my fingers? 10 and then 7 more, right? That makes 17. Can you find the number 13? Where's 13? 13 would be right here, right? This is 10 and 3 more to make 13. Can you find the number 19? 19 goes right here. 10 and 9 more. If I wanted to do the number 19 with my fingers, I would show 10 and 9 more to make 19. All right? Now I'm going to pause my video and I'm going to show you something else here. Okay, here we have our old friend the Reckon Wreck again, and this should look a little bit familiar to me. Do you see that we have 5 red and 5 white? Now if I take all of these and move them over here, then I have 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if I move these beads over, then I have 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so now let's think about making some numbers over here. I'm going to take, let's see, let's build everything over this way, get them out of the way. Here's my 10, and then I'm going to build this number over here. What number is this? How many do I have? I have 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 and 7. I've made the number 17. Okay? What's this number now? I have 10, and then I have 2 more. This is the number 12. What's this number? This is the number 19. Okay? What's this number? This is the number 15. And what's that number? That's the number 20. So the reckon goes along with the beads, the chips that we did, and also with the hand that we made. It's very similar, thinking about 2 groups of 10 and what those numbers are. Now, you are done with your problem set today. So this is your problem set. You've already done it with me. I want to show you your exit ticket that you can come back to later today. It's a little bit different today. It says use your red and yellow crayon to draw the beads for a reckon in 2 lines. So what they want you to do is do 2 lines and make a reckon. You got red, maybe. And then you could do white, just like with a pencil. It says to use yellow to make those beads, but I want you to do 5 beads of red, and then 5 beads of another, and then do another line of 5 beads, and 5 of a different color. Okay, and then it says how many beads did you draw? Then here it says trace your hands, draw your fingernails. How many fingernails do you have on your 2 hands? Well, I don't know about you, but my hands don't trace in here very good. Maybe your hands do, but I don't think your hands are going to fit in there either. But you can draw 2 hands and draw in the fingernails, and then you're going to have 10 fingernails, right? Okay, that's your math lesson for today. Have fun with it. And if anybody has any news, get that sent in. You got about an hour, and we will do our news. See ya.